Hey, it's Scott with the One Group at Keller Williams Real Estate, and today I'm doing a quick little video to talk about the changes to the real estate industry that happened with the Ontario Liberal government. They've implemented a 15% foreign buyers tax, just like Vancouver had done, and it caused Toronto market to explode, and I believe a lot of that has spilled over into the Barrie area, but they put a foreign buyers tax on Toronto. Non-resident people we're talking about. We're not talking about people that have immigrated into Canada and want to buy real estate. That's not what's being taxed. You don't live in Canada and you buy real estate here and you speculate and you jam the price up. Those are the people that are going to be getting taxed. The other change that they made was they've made some change to the rent control, how much rent can be increased every single year by your landlord. That's great news for tenants. Maybe not such great news for investors, but however, rents have been getting out of control as well. They're trying to improve affordability, not only from a renting standpoint, but also from a home buying standpoint. They're going to review the rules that real estate agents are required to follow when dealing with clients. And we have some pretty strict rules, but they're going to look closer at them just to make sure that people are being dealt with fairly. And I would agree that in certain markets, that couldn't hurt. There's a few agents out there maybe not doing practices that that are as ethical as they could be. So I'm all for making our industry better and tighter, and weeding out a few of the weasels would be awesome. They're going to inject $125 million over 5 years into developing infill land to build multi-residential rental apartment buildings and that sort of stuff, which is good. I think it'll help a lot. In the fall, Mayor Jeff Lehman is going to start issuing permits for all the annexed properties in the south end of Barrie and Innisfil, where they've annexed some of Innisfil land. And you're going to start to see some subdivisions go up down there. Probably next spring, you'll start to see a little bit of groundbreaking, which I think is good. We haven't had any new home starts around Barrie, and other than the Pratt condominium developments that are going up like crazy, we haven't had any detached residential houses being built. And I think that will help maybe balance or normalize the resale market. Again, if you have any questions, hello@theonegroup.ca, and check out the blog and all of our social media channels, and we'd love to hear from you with any of your questions. Thanks again. Cheers.